how to do demo trading on Bybit. Before we get started with demo trading, it is important to understand what demo trading is all about. Now, if you are a beginner, it is recommended to do demo trading first before you head to the live market. So demo trading refers to practicing trading on a simulated market using virtual money. So it will not be real money, but the market value will be the same as on real market data. It will be based on real market data as well, allowing you to test out trading strategies and familiarize yourself with a trading platform without risking any real capital. Essentially, it's a risk-free way to learn and practice trading before committing to a live account with real money. By default, whenever you open Bybit, you will be under live trading. So this is where the real game is played. But then let's say you're a beginner, you wish to learn trading, but you don't want to spend real money but still learn to trade. For that, demo trading comes into play. So once you launch Bybit, tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen, as you can see. Then right there you'll find the option that says demo trading. Tap on it. So it will begin the Bybit demo trading. So you can start trading with $100,000 demo assets if you wish to begin that. So tap on it. Now everything will be based on live data. The only thing is that your virtual money is being used instead of real money. So let's say you want to learn trading. So here you can choose to buy a certain amount of crypto. Hopefully when you gain some amount of profit, you can also choose to sell that cryptocurrency. Anytime you want to exit demo trading and go to live trading, at the top right, just tap on start live trading to come back to live trading. And of course, your data is always going to remain there within the demo account. I hope the video helps you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.